Hello students, I am Komal Sharma and today we will talk about quadratic equations. So the first thing we will talk about is examining the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So you know a quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and for finding out the nature of the roots we have to find out a term which is known as discriminant, and discriminant is denoted by capital D, and capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac, where b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the coefficient of the constant term, or it is the constant term itself. Now we can have three conditions. First, d is equal to 0. If d you calculate from here and if d comes out to be 0, the roots are real and equal. If d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If d is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. And if d is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Imaginary means negative number ka square root of a negative number. So let us see how to apply this to problems. Let us see the first problem. This first problem says, find the value of k for which quadratic equation 2x square minus kx plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. ये quadratic equation दी हुई है, and what is the condition? That it has equal roots. So first of all we will have to find out the discriminant, and discriminant will be given by b square minus 4ac. तो सबसे पहले we have to identify b and a and c from the given equation. So comparing with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the value of a we get here? A is equal to this. So a is equal to 2. B is equal to what is here? Minus k. And c is the constant term which is k. Agreed? Now the condition is for equal roots. So we have already discussed that for equal roots the discriminant should be equal to 0. So let us see how to solve this. So discriminant should be equal to 0. A is equal to 2, we got it previously. B is equal to minus k, and c is equal to k. This is what we have got from here. So let us see it here. Now find the value of d. So d is what? b square minus 4ac. तो इसमें वैल्यू डाल देंगे, एंड फॉर रियल रूट्स दिस शुड बी इक्वल टू 0. बी स्क्वायर की जगह हम क्या लिख देंगे? माइनस के होल स्क्वायर minus 4. What about a? 2. And what about c? It is k. Solve this, so you get k square minus 8k. So take out k as common, so you are left with k minus 8. Now these two conditions are there. This into this is equal to 0. So we have either k is equal to 0 or k minus 8 is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, then you have the answer k is equal to 0, and k minus 8 is equal to 0, so k is equal to 8. So the values of k are what? 0 and 8. तो k की अगर ये दोनों values होंगी 0 and 8, then the equation which was given will have, this was the equation, so this equation will have equal roots. So what is the correct answer? Over here this is the correct answer. Value of k is 0 and 8. Agreed? Now let us see the next question. The quadratic equation 2x square minus root 5x plus 1 has two distinct real roots, or has two equal real roots, no real root and more than two real roots. तो हमें क्या निकालना है? We have to find out the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots, how will we find out? We will find out the value of the discriminant. This will be our thinking process. इस क्वेश्चन को हमें सोचना कैसे है? नेचर ऑफ रूट्स निकालना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will find out the value of D. So comparing, we get, और D निकालने के लिए what is the first requirement? You have to find out the values of A, B and C. तो A कितना हो जाएगा? ये. B कितना हो जाएगा? ये. और C कितना हो जाएगा? ये. So A is what? 2. B is what? minus root 5. And C is what? 1. Agreed? Now we will find out discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4AC. B square की जगह minus root 5 whole square minus 4AC. इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो ये कितना हो गया? 5 minus 4 2 is 8. So this will become minus 3. Now D is equal to minus 3, or D is negative. D is less than 0. D is negative, so we have imaginary roots for the given equation. Why? Because we have seen that D is less than 0. This was a very simple question. Questions like this appear for one. The next question is that this x square plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0. This is a given equation and you have to find out the nature of the roots. ये इक्वेशन दी हुई है और हमें बताना है कि इसके 4 रियल रूट्स हैं, 2 रियल रूट्स हैं, नो रियल रूट है या 1 रियल रूट है. So always whenever you have to decide the nature of the discriminant, you will have to find out D, because the nature of the discriminant will only tell you what is the nature of the roots. तो पहले हमें क्या सोचना है? इसमें D की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए सोचना है. तो how will you find out the value of D? So if D is equal to 0, D is greater than 0 or D is less than 0 will decide the nature of the roots. Now what is D? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Let me highlight this. Okay. Now for finding out D, आपको किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? You need B, you need A and you need C. So in this equation, if you see here, directly the values of A, B, C are not given. So what will we do? We will find out the values of A, B and C. So first we will have to simplify this bracket. So this is A plus B whole square. So if you remember the identity, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. ये आइडेंटिटी हमें याद होनी चाहिए. इस आइडेंटिटी को अगर हम इसमें लगाएंगे तो ऑन एक्सपैंडिंग we will get square of A plus 2AB plus B square minus x square is equal to 0. अब इसको हम एक्सपैंड करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square is equal to 0. ठीक है, इसको एक बार और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो दिस बिकम्स x to the power 4 plus 2x square minus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now over here this is x to the power 4 here and x square over here. So we will substitute something. So the power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a x to the power 4 equation. We have to convert it into a quadratic equation. तो हम क्या करेंगे, let x square be is equal to y. तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. अब इसमें a की वैल्यू अगर हम निकालना चाहें तो कितनी हो जाएगी, 1, b की वैल्यू भी कितनी हो जाएगी, 1, और c की वैल्यू भी कितनी हो जाएगी, 1. अग्रीड. अब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट विल डिसाइड द नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स. तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट कितना हो जाएगा, b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. सो 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 4, 1 into 1. So this will be minus 3, or you can say d is less than 0. And when d is less than 0, you already know, अभी तक आपको याद हो गया होगा, that the equation has no real roots. ठीक है. तो अगर हम इसके ऑप्शंस में देखें तो which option is right? The C option is right, that the equation has no real roots. That is option C is the correct answer. Okay, so whenever you are given a question जिसमें nature of roots निकालना है तो हर समय हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, we will have to find out the discriminant. Agreed? Coming on to the next question. The next question says, is 2 a root of the given equations? ये 4 हमें equations दी हुई हैं और हमें ये निकालना है कि 2 इनमें से किसका root है. Root means what do we think when we say about root? Root means it is a solution of the given equation. Means how will we think about this question? If we put x is equal to 2 in the equation, so LHS should be equal to RHS, then it is a root. Root मतलब solution. ठीक है. तो बारी बारी हम इन चारों इक्वेशंस में वैल्यू डाल के देख लेंगे और जिस भी इक्वेशन में LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS आ जाता है, दैट इक्वेशन विल हैव 2 एज अ रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन. तो पुटिंग इन इक्वेशन 1. इक्वेशन 1 क्या है, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. ये आप बहुत ओरली भी कर सकते हैं. तो पुट 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 2 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो ये कितना हो गया, 4 माइनस 8 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. आया क्या LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS? नो, LHS इज नॉट इक्वल टू RHS. सो A इज नॉट द आंसर. नॉट द आंसर. ठीक है. अगली इक्वेशन देखते हैं. अगली इक्वेशन है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 12 पार्ट. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 12 is equal to 0. Again the same thing, put x is equal to 2. When you put x is equal to 2, so you get 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is 4 plus 3 to the 6 minus 12 is equal to 0. So you get minus 2 is equal to 0. Again LHS is not equal to RHS, so this is not the आंसर. ठीक है. अब सी पार्ट देख लेते हैं. सी पार्ट वॉज वॉट, 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 6. 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. अगेन व्हाट विल वी डू, सब्सटीट्यूट 2 इन प्लेस ऑफ x. तो इसको जब हम वैल्यू डालेंगे तो दिस विल कम आउट टू बी दिस. इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो दिस बिकम्स 8 माइनस 14 प्लस 6 is equal to 0. 8 plus 16, 14 minus 14 is equal to 0, or 0 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. So yes, this is the answer. इसी तरह से हम फोर्थ वाले क्वेश्चन को करके देख लेंगे. The fourth part या the D part is 3x² minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. x की जगह हमें क्या डालना है, 2 minus 6 into 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 3 4 12 minus 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2 is equal to 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So not the आंसर. ये क्वेश्चंस यूजुअली क्या होगा, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन में आएंगे. तो इन दिस केस which was the answer? Part C was the answer. So we will go to the question and put part C is the correct answer. We will mark part C as the correct option.